don't care what the world says. We're young, black, and married, growing our love. Yes, we go through tests and trials, but we know it's worth the while, and we're unbreakable. Oh, we spread peace, love, and positivity. We cherish our family and the joy it brings. We're planning for a future that's as bright as the sun, 'cause that's what happens when the two become one.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Say hey. Alright, so it is, come here, why? It is after work, so evening time, and Wyatt just got home. And what do you have? What did you have today? What is it?
Overtime.
You got come here, show him your overtime. He came in the house and showed me. Okay, so you got, what are these?
Seeds.
He got seeds.
And overtime.
And overtime. Did you work hard today?
Yeah.
So overtime is his allowance that he gets when he goes to my parents' house. And TJ came home. Let me show y'all what he got into today. TJ is cutting the trees, trimming the trees. Wow, you doing a good job. You helping Daddy? Good job, Why? Why, you gonna get some more overtime? You gonna get some more overtime?
No.
No? You working for free?
Not yet.
Not yet. Still seem full? It still seem full to you? Cut them how you did it last time. This is the fun part. Cleaning all of this up.
Hey, Mommy. And paper.
Paper? Is it a surprise?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Say, come on, Daddy.
Come on, Daddy. No.
Mommy gonna start opening a little bit, and then when you get it, you will be able to take it out. Okay?
Okay.
All right, it's open. Now stop. Ready?
Yes.
Wyatt is trying to peek.
Go on, open it.
What is it? Take it out. What is it?
Rocket book.
A rocket book. Open it.
Ooh. A rocket. That issue. But no, this issue. Crazy.
What is that? Rockets for who?
Rocket. That issue. Why that?
Yeah, that's what. Rockets for who?
The what come up? They'll come up. Those stars.
What is that? Why rocket for who?
That's a green one rocket.
Rocket
Green
for
rocket.
kids.
Rocket for kids. You love to say that.
This one. Those.
That one's really nice, why?
Now. This.
Look at that one.
Not that. No. This one not.
Oh, okay.
Now this.
Okay.
Now. This will
It's
finish.
supposed to be a catalog.
Wait.
You-
Wait a second.
Okay, I'll let you do it.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, that's all the engines.
This the water engine.
Mm-hmm.
No, this one the engine.
Let me see.
No. What?
All right, y'all. So here's some backstory on Wyatt. Wyatt loves rockets, and the last 2 rockets we bought him came with like a little small little catalog of paper, and he carries that paper around everywhere. So not yesterday. It was about 2 days ago. I got online and I looked to see if there was any like catalogs, and I found this catalog that he could carry around that has more than 1 rocket in it and several pages. Because the last one, he has us looking for that paper all the time. Every time he puts it down and can't find it, he goes crazy because he wants us to find it for him. So now he has more than 1 book, and this one is a nice size catalog, and it specializes in rockets for kids. The place was called Estes Industries.
Yeah, he got 3 rockets from him.
Yeah, he already got three of their rockets. I didn't know that they had 4. A catalog. So, he had 4.
Yeah, 4. Remember the one we lost?
Oh yeah, the first one.
Then I ordered 2 more, and then your mama got him 1.
Yeah, so
no, the giant one up space, and then
it went to space.
Right. The first one went to space.
Then the black one come up.
Yeah, the black one went up, and we got the black one back.
You want to show them your rocket collection?
No, it come up, and then it come up and come up the moon.
Well, go
it went to the moon.
Go get your rocket out of your bag.
So the first rocket that we launched, we weren't able to retrieve it.
Yeah, that one we lost.
So that's the one he's telling you went up to the moon and the stars.
The rocket, the rocket.
Yeah, the rocket.
The rocket, and
we lost it. You saying we lost it?
Yeah, the rocket on down. It kind of there. How 1, 2, 3 come up.
Yep, we counted down, and then the rocket went up.
See,
well, that's one of your rockets. The same company.
Yeah, Estes.
That is actually this one nice.
Yeah, that was nice.
Those stars, mine.
They went to the stars.
You want to show them your other one?
Oh, go get your other rocket. Why? Show them your other rocket. That one's nice. Let me see if I can find another nice one. Ooh.
What down? That's nice.
That one's nice.
That one. This one.
Daddy put together the other one.
That one big.
Oh, this one. Okay, we're gonna show them in a minute. Okay.
That one.
That's your big rocket. That's the one that we were able to get back. This one, right?
Both of these.
This one. Those big. Those 2 rockets.
Okay, so this is the second one, right?
Yeah, that's the second.
This is the
Third
second. The third rocket. I'm sorry. The first one we didn't get back. And then TJ putting the parachute back in the last one, and we'll show y'all the last one. But Wyatt loves rockets.
No.
Right, Wyatt?
No, this one the rocket. No, this one the come up. Those are the rocket come up.
Yep, the rocket go up.
But this one, 2 of them come up in space. I have a hub. Come up in space.
Say the rocket goes up.
Those the rocket.
Yep, say the rocket.
This one rocket. This one the rocket come up.
Wyatt, say the rocket
Rocket.
goes up. Good job.
Those are that mines. Come on. That 2 of them come up space. That 2.
He loves rockets, y'all.
Those are 2. Those.
Yeah, you're right. Those are 2 rockets. Now this is the big one.
The Amazon.
The Amazon. Right, why?
So Wyatt got 3.
Oh, this is the same brand. Didn't even notice
they also said they all the same.
That one.
This one we had to paint. So me and Wyatt painted this one.
Oh, y'all painted that one.
This one we painted. And then this one came the way it came. And then the other one was about this size, but we lost it.
What we got? This one. This one is
your
from,
mama got.
From Grammy.
Grammy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And this one, the
So you got 3 rockets. How many rockets you got?
3 come.
Count them.
Count them. How many do you have? Count.
3.
Good job. Why?
Those are 2.
Rocket.
This.
Okay, get it.
Give it to me.
Give it to Daddy.
Now. This. Oh, wait. Wait.
No.
So it's the next day, and we decided, well, TJ surprised Wyatt. Come here, Wyatt. What did Daddy surprise you with? More what?
Rockets.
Yeah, the engines, right? He running, y'all. So we decided to bring him out here really quick so he could blast off, I guess, shoot off one of his rockets. So yeah, we're gonna show y'all how we get this done. Daddy is putting together the rockets. That's the parachute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Did you poke a hole in it this time?
Mm-hmm. This one already had a hole in it.
Oh, okay, so it's ready to go.
Everyone after that had one. The last one, the first one didn't have one. So
Okay.
we didn't get it back.
Yeah, the first one. But the first one. B.
You ready, Why?
It's too loud.
It's gonna be loud.
Mm-mm.
We're gonna see.
It's loud.
Count down, mommy.
5,
4,
3, 2,
1. Lift off. Ooh. That's a perfect height.
Yeah, that was a perfect height.
Round 2.
And
Round 2.
one and came down.
All right, y'all. So this is round 2, and we are shooting Wyatt's little, smaller rocket. The other one was like huge, and I got him some smaller engines because the last time it took us forever to find them. So this time we came to a bigger field, and what is it? We actually didn't even have to go far. So it shot up a little bit, and then it came right down. So Wyatt's about to do his second rocket.
That one.
Right, why?
That one is part way
And
on
then
it.
y'all, I don't know if y'all can see them, but over there in the bleachers, we got 3 little bystanders. They've been looking at Wyatt's little rocket, right, why?
It part way on the sky and part down. Boom!
It fall down?
It won't pop.
Oh, okay.
One way part down and come up.
You like your rockets?
And then pop.
You like
Oh!
your rockets, why?
Won't pop.
Do you like your rockets? Okay.
Won't pop.
All right, you ready to do this one?
Use your words, yes sir.
Yes, sir.
All right. So you gonna push the button on this one?
No.
All right, y'all, let me get this thing set up so we can do this.
Come back and push the button.
Okay. I'll be right here waiting.
Okay.
5, count it down, why? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, lift off. Now you gotta go get it, why?
Catch it, why? Catch it, why?
Now that one
You got it, why?
higher.
We got it. Say we got it, mama.
That one went higher? High five.
That
This
one.
one was the lighter engine. I mean the lighter rocket.
Yep.
So we're gonna get the bigger engine for the bigger rocket.
Not here. It won't pop.
Yeah, I'm gonna get you some bigger ones for the bigger rocket, so that one goes higher.
Say okay.
Not here. The big don't pop.
And now you can watch your own video again.
No, not here.
Yeah,
Video
over and
on
over and
Amazon.
over and over and over. Oh my gosh.
You want to do another one, Wyatt?
You have fun?
Have fun to watch it.
You have fun with the rocket? Say we're out.
Wow.
So we're done.
We look. The air shoot, but
This is the, I think this is the second one that we bought.
Overexposed. There you go.
Yeah, this is the second one that we bought. I think this one only came with one rocket.
This is the one we
No,
lost,
this is the first
right?
one. Yeah, this is the first one. This is the one that we lost.
This the one that we didn't get
It
back.
literally looked, it went up probably 1,100 feet, if not,
That thing
was
went
high.
up high.
and I didn't have a hole in it. So the
It
wind,
just
it
kept
caught the
going.
wind and just kept on going. So he got these two now.
You have fun, Wise? All right, let's
Mommy
go
have
on.
fun?
Yep.